Hi, good morning, students. Welcome to our online class. In the previous class, we were discussing about third chapter of geography, that is India climate. Okay, it means we were discussing about Indian climate. Okay, on the basis of geographical features, Indian climate broadly classified into three types. Sorry, four types. Okay. Yes, already we have discussed about that. The Indian the climate of India, according to the Meteorological Department of India, can be divided into four seasons. Okay, which department divided Indian climate into four seasons? The Meteorological Department. Okay, the climate of India, according to the Meteorological Department of India, can be divided into four seasons. Okay, they are already we have discussed about the summer season, winter season, rainy season, and retreating monsoon season. Okay, in previous class we have discussed about that. First, about the winter season. Next, the summer season. Next, about rainy season. And last, about retreating monsoon season. In the previous class, detailedly we have discussed about the winter season. Already you know the winter season starts in the month of December and ends in the month of February. Okay, the winter season starts in the month of December and ends in the month of February. Compulsorily, this point you have to mention while explaining about the seasons of India. Okay, the winter season starts in the month of December and ends in the month of February. And already you know during this season, the rays of the sun falls. The rays of the sun fall vertically over southern hemisphere. During winter season, the rays of the sun fall vertically over southern hemisphere. Due to that, India gets oblique rays of the sun. Okay, during the winter season, the rays of the sun fall vertically over southern hemisphere. Okay, due to that, India gets oblique rays of the sun, and the temperature and humidity are low, and the sky is clear. It's very important. During winter season, the temperature and humidity are low and the sky is clear. Why? Because during winter season, the rays of the sun fall vertically over southern hemisphere. Due to that, India gets oblique rays of the sun, and the temperature and humidity are low and the sky is clear. You have to write answer like that. Okay, that is the first point. During the winter season, the rays of the sun fall vertically over southern hemisphere. India gets oblique rays of the sun, and hence the temperature and humidity are low, and sky is clear. Okay. Next point already we have discussed about that. It is cool in the north and warm in the south. During the winter season, it is cool in the north and warm in the south. And in this winter season, January is the coldest. Okay, which is the coldest month? January is the coldest month. Areas of Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh are recorded lowest temperature. Okay, already you know the hilly areas of Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh record the lowest temperature. That is, Tras near Kargil has recorded lowest temperature, that is minus 60 degree Celsius. Dras Kargil has recorded lowest temperature, that is minus 60 degree Celsius. Okay. And dew and fogs are common during the winter season. Already you know, fogs and dews are common. Okay, or dew and fogs are common. And there is heavy snowfall in mountain areas, especially in northern part of India. Snowfall is common. Okay, so there is a heavy snowfall in the mountain areas. Which part of India contains the mountains? Northern part. Okay, so that's why northern part snowfall is common in winter season. Next, India gets only 2% of its annual rainfall during this winter season. It's also very important. Okay. If they asked in exam, explain about winter season means first compulsorily you have to write when this season starts. The winter season starts in the month of December and ends in the month of February. First point you have to write. Next, during winter season, the rays of the sun fall vertically over southern hemisphere. Okay, so India gets oblique rays of the sun, hence the temperature and humidity are low, and the sky is clear. That is the third. Okay, next, after that you have to write it is cool in the north and warm in the south. Okay, it is cool in the north and warm in the south. Next, January is the coldest month, and hilly areas of Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh records lowest temperature. So, Transnear Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature, that is minus 60 degree Celsius. Okay, and dew and fogs are common during this season, and there is a heavy snowfall in the mountain areas. Totally, during this season, India gets only 2% of its annual rainfall. This is about winter season. Next, we have also discussed about summer season. Already you know the summer season starts in the month of March and ends in the month of May. Okay, summer season starts in the month of March and ends in the month of May. Already you know during this season the sun's rays fall vertically over northern hemisphere. Here in this winter season, the rays of the sun fall vertically over southern hemisphere. But here in summer season, the sun's rays fall vertically over northern hemisphere. Due to that, India records highest temperature. Okay, so that's why the sun's rays fall vertically over northern hemisphere, and the temperature is high in India. Okay, so first point you write the summer season starts in the month of March and ends in the month of May. Next point, during this season, the sun's rays fall vertically over northern hemisphere, hence the temperature is high in India. Next, fourth point, it is hot and dry and sultry. Okay, during this season, it is sorry. Next, you write like this: it is hot, dry, and sultry. It means summer season is hot, dry, and sultry. Fourth point, the highest recorded temperature is 49.4 degrees Celsius. Already I told you 49.4 degree Celsius. Okay, which is the highest temperature recorded place in India, Ganganagar in Rajasthan. Okay, so it is hot, dry, and sultry. The highest recorded temperature is 49.4 degrees Celsius at Ganganagar in Rajasthan. That is the highest temperature recorded place, Ganganagar in Rajasthan. Next, convectional rain occurs during this season in some parts of the country. Not all over the country, only in some parts of the country the convectional rainfall occurs. That rain is called with different names in different states of the country. They are now like I told you, the convectional rain occurs locally in some parts of the country. It is known as Andes in Uttar Pradesh and Kala Baisakhi in the West Bengal, mango showers in Kerala because it helps to the mango crop. Okay, why conventional rainfall is called as mango showers in Karnataka? Because that conventional rainfall helps to the mango crop. Okay, next coffee blossom in Karnataka. Why convectional rainfall is called as coffee blossom in Karnataka? Because it is beneficial to the coffee crop. Okay, that convectional rainfall is beneficial to the coffee crop. So that's why it is called as coffee blossom in Karnataka. And totally in this season, India receives 10% of its annual rainfall. Okay, totally India receives 10% of its annual rainfall during this summer season. This is about summer season. Okay, when it starts in the month of March and ends in the month of May. March to May. Next, already about this also we have discussed rainy season. It starts in the month of June. In the second week of June it starts and ends in the month of mid September. Okay. Rainy season starts in the month of June. It means second week of June. It may be 6, 7, 8. On that date in June, this rainy season starts and ends in the month of mid September. Okay. This rainy season is also called as the southwest monsoon season. Already we have discussed about this. This season is also called as southwest monsoon season because this season is greatly influenced by southwest monsoon winds. Okay, so that's why this season is called as southwest monsoon season. Okay, question may becomes like that: why rainy season is called as southwest monsoon season in India? Because this rainy season greatly influenced by southwest monsoon winds. So that's why it is called as southwest monsoon season. Okay. During this season, the temperature rises by the end of the summer season. At the end of May, the temperature continuously rises. Already you know. Okay. So during this season, temperature rises at the end of summer season. It means in the month of May, temperature continuously rises. Okay. Since the temperature rises by the end of the summer season, a low pressure area is developed over Central Asia. When the temperature continuously rises at the end of the summer season or in the month of May, on that time what happens? A low pressure area developed over Central Asia. Okay, so Central India due to the continuous rise area developed. On the other hand, there is a high pressure over the Indian Ocean. One side, low pressure area develops. It means over central India, low pressure area develops, and another side, high pressure area develops over the Indian Ocean. Okay. Hence, the moisture laden winds blow from the southwest towards India. Moisture laden winds blow from the southwest towards India. It means high pressure area to low pressure area, this moisture laden winds blows. Okay, due to that, that moisture laden winds brings heavy rainfall to India. So normally winds blows high pressure area towards to low pressure area. These moisture laden winds bring the rainfall to different parts of the country, and totally during this season India receives 75% of its annual rainfall. This rainy season or southwest monsoon season, in this season India gets 75% of its annual rainfall. Okay, during the rainy season or southwest monsoon season, India receives 75% of its annual rainfall. Next, this southwest monsoon season or rainy season broadly classified into two branches. Okay, it means there are two branches of southwest monsoon season. Rainy season or southwest monsoon season classified into two types. So that's why southwest monsoon season has two branches. First one, the Arabian Sea branch, and another one, Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch strikes the western Ghats and causes heavy rainfall to the western side of the western Ghats. This first one, the Arabian Sea branch. Okay, the Arabian Sea branch strikes the western Ghats and causes heavy rainfall to the western part of western Ghats. Okay, here the southwest monsoon season has two branches. First one Arabian Sea branch and second one the Bay of Bengal branch. This first one, the Arabian Sea branch, strikes the western Ghats and causes heavy rainfall in the western part of western Ghats. Okay, and the rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of the western Ghats. Western part of the western Ghat receives heavy rainfall because this Arabian Sea branch strikes the western Ghats and causes heavy rainfall to the western part of western Ghats. But the rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of the western Ghat, towards the east side. Rainfall decreases. Okay, so the rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of the western Ghats, and it is lies in the rain shadow area. While this the rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of the western Ghats because that area comes in rain shadow region of western Ghats. Okay, the eastern slopes of the western Ghat receives least rainfall. Why? Because the rainfall decreases towards the eastern slopes of the western Ghat because it is lies in the rain shadow area. Next, another branch, that is Bay of Bengal branch. The Bay of Bengal branch causes heavy rainfall when it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya and Assam. This Bay of Bengal branch brings heavy rainfall to North India, okay, especially Meghalaya and to Assam, Odisha, that side. It brings heavy rainfall. Okay, so the Bay of Bengal branch causes heavy rainfall when it strikes against the hills of Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh, and it causes heavy rainfall in that area. Okay, the heaviest rainfall occurs at the Monsoon in Meghalaya. The rainfall decreases towards the northwest. That Monsoon is the highest rain getting place in India. It is in Meghalaya. Okay, Monsoon in Meghalaya receives the heaviest rainfall, and the rainfall decreases towards the northwest. And this is about the winter season, the summer season, and the rainy season. Okay, only one point after, that is the reading monsoon season. Up to here we have discussed in previous class. Okay, see now I explain about this reading monsoon season. Already you know this reading monsoon season starts in the month of mid-September and ends in the month of November. Mid-September to November. The reading monsoon season starts in the month of mid-September and ends in the month of November. This rainy season or southwest monsoon season is called as a Mungaru Male in Karnataka, and retreating monsoon season is called as Hingaru Male. Okay. In early October, due to decrease of temperature, low pressure area is gradually replaced by high pressure over the land mass. Uh, how the retreating monsoon season starts? In early October, due to decrease of temperature, day by day, now what happens? In the month of October or in the early days of October, temperature decreases. Gradually, temperature decreases due to low pressure, due to low temperature or decrease in temperature. Low pressure area is gradually replaced by pressure over the land mass. Okay. Low pressure area is gradually replaced by high pressure over the land mass. A low pressure area is developed over the Bay of Bengal. Here what happens? In the early days of the October, gradually temperature decreases. Okay. Due to decrease in temperature, what happens? Gradually that low pressure area replaced by high pressure over the land. Okay. And low pressure area is developed over the Bay of Bengal. In Bay of Bengal, what happens? Low pressure area develops. As a result, southwest monsoon winds starts retreating and starts going from northeast towards the sea. The southwest monsoon winds only returns as the northeast monsoon winds. On that time, the retreating monsoon season starts. Okay. Hence, this season is also known as northeast monsoon season. This rainy season is called as southwest monsoon season. But this retreating monsoon season is called as northeast monsoon season. Sorry, yes, northeast monsoon season. Because the southwest monsoon winds only returns as the northeast monsoon winds. Because in Bay of Bengal, low pressure area develops. Due to that, the southwest monsoon winds returns as the northeast monsoon winds. On that time, retreating monsoon season starts in India. Next, and this season is also known as northeast monsoon season. It is a season of unsettled weather conditions. The retreating monsoon season is called as unsettled weather conditions. India receives only 13 percentage of its annual rainfall during this season. How much percentage of rainfall occurs during this retreating monsoon season? Only 13 percentage. Okay. Yes, here see, rainy season receives 75 percentage of rainfall. Next, retreating monsoon season receives in rainy season India receives 75 percentage. In retreating monsoon season India receives 13 percentage of rainfall, and summer season India receives 10 percentage of rainfall, and only one, that is the winter season. In winter season India receives only 2 percentage of its annual rainfall. Okay. 8, 10, okay, total 100%. Okay. Compulsorily evaluate that percentage. Okay. Next, it is a sorry, the coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha get rainfall during this season. It's very important during the retreating monsoon season, which areas receives heavy rainfall. The coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha get rainfall during this season. especially in retreating monsoon season. The coast of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha gets heavy rainfall. And tropical cyclones frequently occur in the Bay of Bengal during this season and causes some damage along the east coast. It is very important. During this retreating monsoon season, the tropical cyclones frequently occurs in the Bay of Bengal region. Okay? During the retreating monsoon season, tropical cyclones frequently occur in the Bay of Bengal during this season and cause some damage along the east coast. Okay, and causes some damage along the east coast during this retreating monsoon season. So that's why this Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Odisha um, faces the problem of flood. Okay, so tropical cyclones are common during this season in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Odisha. Next, distribution of rainfall. On the basis of the amount of rainfall, on the basis of the amount of rainfall, India can be divided into three broad zones. What are those? First one, areas with low rainfall, and the next second one, areas with moderate rainfall, and last one, areas with heavy rainfall. It means which part of the country receives the least rainfall or low rainfall. Next, which part of the country receives a moderate rainfall or heavy rainfall. Next, which parts of the country receives heaviest rainfall or highest rainfall. Now we will discuss. The first area with low rainfall, less than 50 centimeter annually. Okay, it includes western Kutch, the Thar Desert of Rajasthan and its adjoining areas like Western Punjab, Haryana, and Gujarat, north of Jaskar Range and the rain shadow area of the Western Ghats. Royally in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan is receives least amount of rainfall, that is 8.3 percentage, 8.3 centimeter, and it is the driest place in India. It means which parts of the country receives least rainfall? This Rajasthan and adjoining areas like Western Punjab, Haryana, and Gujarat, and north of Jaskar Range and the rain shadow area of the Western Ghats. And next, Roili in Rajasthan. Already you know it is very important. Roili in Rajasthan of Jaisalmer or Roili in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan is receives least amount of rainfall, that is 8.3 centimeter annually. Okay, that is the driest place in India. It's very important. Roili. This is the driest place in India. Roili. Roili is the driest place in India. It is in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan. Okay, and it is the least rain getting place. Okay, it receives lowest rainfall in India. Roili of Rajasthan. Roili in Jaisalmer of Rajasthan. Okay. Next, areas with moderate rainfall. Moderate rainfall means 50 to 100. Lowest rainfall. Areas with low rainfall means only 50 percentage. Next, areas with moderate rainfall means 50 to 100 centimeter. Okay, 50 to 100 centimeter. See which areas of India gets 50 to 100%, 100 centimeter of rainfall. It is a long belt extending from North Punjab to Cap of Kanyakumari. It means Northern Punjab to Cape of Kanyakumari receives moderate rainfall. Okay, northern Cape of northern Punjab to Cape of Kanyakumari. It means northern part of Punjab to Cape of Kanyakumari or tip of the Kanyakumari receives moderate rainfall. It is broader in the north and narrower in peninsular India between the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. It means the area between Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat receives the moderate rainfall, okay, in peninsular India. That is about area with moderate rainfall. Next, last areas with heavy rainfall. Which areas of the India gets heaviest rainfall? Heaviest rainfall means 100 to 250 centimeters. It is found in four separate belts. It means four separate belts issues heaviest rainfall in India. First one, a narrow belt in Western Ghats. Already you know, Western Ghat receives a heaviest rainfall in India. Next, B, a belt from Jammu hills through Himachal Pradesh. First belt, a Western Ghat receives heaviest rainfall in India. And second belt, a belt from Jammu hills through Himachal Pradesh. It means Jammu to Himachal Pradesh, whatever the hill station area is there, no, that area also receives heaviest rainfall. Jammu to Himachal Pradesh. Next, northern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and West Bengal. This area receives heaviest rainfall. Okay. A belt from Jammu hills through Himachal Pradesh, northern Uttar Pradesh, and Bihar and West Bengal receives highest rainfall. Next, northeastern India, Monsoon located in the zone of in this zone gets the heaviest rainfall. Monsoon of Meghalaya. Now only I told you, Monsoon is in Meghalaya. This Monsoon located in Meghalaya. This Monsoon of Meghalaya gets the heaviest rainfall. Okay. Next, the west coast and the western side of Western Ghats also receives heaviest rainfall. The western coast during retreating monsoon season, the western coast gets heaviest rainfall. Okay, so that western coast and the western side of Western Ghat also gets heaviest rainfall in India. Okay, this is about areas with heavy rainfall. Okay, with that this chapter completed. Okay, so up to rainy season or southwest monsoon season, I have given questions to you guys. Next, only one point left, that is our retreating monsoon season. Before concluding today's class, I would like to give questions relating to this retreating monsoon season. Write down the question. First one. Explain the retreating monsoon season. Here, 5 to 6 points compulsorily you have to write related to this retreating monsoon season. Okay, retreating monsoon season is also called as northeast monsoon season. Why? Next question. Okay, retreating monsoon season is also called as northeast monsoon season. Why? Retreating monsoon season is also called as north monsoon season. Why? Give reason. Next, in which season cyclones are frequently occurs in the Bay of Bengal region? In which season? In which season cyclones are frequently occurs in the Bay of Bengal region? Next, which parts of the country damages with cyclones? Which parts or which states of the country, which states of the country damages with cyclone or cyclones? Okay. And next question, explain about the distribution of rainfall. Write the answers and send in your personal WhatsApp group. Okay, these are the questions. Write the answer and send in your personal WhatsApp. And if you have any doubts, means ask related to that chapter. And in next class, we will discuss one more new chapter. Okay. Thank you, guys. We will meet in next class.